There was a clinic at Parvarim near Okogero Circle, which was named as Canadoc. So after some inquiry and it was found that it is possible that there were cannabis or marijuana related products that were being sold there. So PI Parvarim led a team and carried out a search and panchnama over there of the articles found there. It was found that there were around 80 boxes of different articles such as toffees, chocolates and powders which contained cannabis in some quantity, and it is completely illegal to sell or to store or stock such kind of products. There was no license, anything, which is impossible to have, and therefore we have registered a case of NDPS. We have registered a case under NDPS Act and we have seized all the articles. Further investigation regarding manufacturer and supply chain is currently being carried out, and once that investigation is complete, we'll have a clearer picture of how that happened.
Worth rupees, how much it was?
It was worth around rupees 2.25 lakh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the person who is from the Parvari only, or he is from outside?
There was a lady who was sitting in that store as the storekeeper, and the owner. We are interrogating that lady to ascertain the identity of the owner. We will dispatch a team for finding who the owner is, and we will complete the investigation. It was a good work on field by Parvarim police station, which was very vigilant in patrolling the area to discover this kind of a shop which was being run like a fake Ayurvedic pharmacy, but actually it was selling cannabis related articles.
Okay. और ऐसा भी देखा गया कि पेंजिम के अंदर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जब वो बलून्स वाले या कोई लामानी लोग ये लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि वहाँ पे उन लोग गांजा वगैरह बेचते हैं, बल्कि कुछ डाउट है आपके ऊपर?
हम लोग इस पे वी हैव केप्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉच ऑन any anti-social elements who may be peddling in drugs. Regular cases are being booked regarding peddling of narcotic items, and whenever any information comes to us, we ensure that swift action is taken on that information.
Thank you.